Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show you how to open a Ford Transit hood. First, find the hood release lever, typically located on the driver's side, near the footwell. It often has a small icon of a car with its hood open. Pull this lever firmly towards you until you hear a click, indicating the primary latch has released. Now, proceed to the front of your transit van. Once at the front, you'll need to find the secondary safety latch. This is usually located in the center, just under the front edge of the hood, often above the Ford emblem. Reach your hand into the gap and feel for a small lever or tab. Depending on your model, you might push it to the left or right, or lift it slightly. Once released, you can gently lift the hood. With the hood open, locate the prop rod. It's usually clipped to the underside of the hood itself or near the engine bay. Carefully unclip the rod and extend it. There will be a specific hole or slot on the underside of the hood or in the engine compartment designed to hold the prop rod. Insert the rod securely to keep the hood safely open while you work. To close the hood, first remove the prop rod from its support slot and secure it back in its original clips. Gently lower the hood until it's about 6 to 8 inches from closing. Then, press down firmly on the center of the hood until you hear a distinct click, ensuring it's fully latched. Remember to check the description below for other great deals and a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.